Your boy always turning 23, and I'm back. Back in the wave gang, you feel me? I'm back. How we know I'm back? We got 2 new brushes today. One of them is new, but I already had it before. I lost it when I was growing my hair out. I'll show y'all this one here now. It's gonna be the Royalty by Brush King. Basically the wave and or the shower brush. You do washing styles with this brush, but it's a hard brush, so I mean, you can still brush with it. Like right now, you feel me? You can still brush with it right now. Next brush, what we got here? We got the Royalty by Wave King. Boom. Where you at? Yeah, got that hook. I got them on Amazon. Probably about $10 each. I just said fuck it. Like, I'm gonna try to get back in the wave game. I guess I might as well. Like, I don't know. Gotta get motivated somehow. And this brush here, straight out the box, this bit sexy. This brush is sexy. That's what I'm gonna say. This brush sexy, and it feels good on the head too. Oh yeah, yeah, yup. This is just what I needed. Literally just what I needed. A medium brush. This brush is medium. This brush is medium. When I say it's medium, I'm talking like, do it feel like this brush here? No, I could feel that pulling a little bit more, getting deeper to the root. This brush here, I feel it pulling at the same time though. I feel it gliding over. So, yeah, medium brush. I'm using this brush at, I mean, shit, I cut down to a 3. Cut down to a 3. And I'm using this brush here. This here gonna be my daily driver, you feel me? This gonna be my main brush. This gonna be the brush that's with me all the time. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Hey, back in the wave game. Best feeling brush that I've ever put on my head. I've never had a brush that felt this good on my head before. And now I do, so this should be interesting. Yep. Gonna be brushing. Fucked up my fade. Don't give a fuck. Right side, it's decent. Again, don't really give a fuck. Like, I'm really about to just go even Steven. Fuck it, bro. Even Steven tape in the bag. Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. I'm gonna turn this camera off and keep brushing. I'll see you on the next video.